You searched how to buy shares of Cewe Stiftung Co KGaA. Cewe is a European photo printing and photo book company listed on Xetra under the ticker CWC.de. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CWC.de to find the listing. Make sure you select the Xetra listing to locate the correct Cewe share. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for CWC.de. Confirm the company description and exchange to ensure this is the right stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled or placed as a limit order, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.